everyone! A few days ago, I started working on a platforming game. I wanted to do a quick run through of the code I did on the first day. Let's hop right in. So first, we're going to come over to the player character. Here's my create event where I'm defining a few variables that I use throughout the day. The top variable, state, is used for a state machine that I'm building. I don't want to get too in-depth with what that is, but it's how I'm going to code switching between states like attacking, movement, and interacting. I've assigned the movement state the number 1, and the state variable is default set to 1, or the movement. Next, we have VSP and HSP, or vertical speed and horizontal speed. GRV is gravity, and WalkSpa is walking speed. I have a few variables set for dashing, such as dash, dash speed, and dash direction. Now let's move into the step event. The step event is an event that runs every frame of the game, so my game runs at 60 frames per second, so 60 times a second. At the top of the event, I'm running a simple check to see if the player is in the movement state. If the player is in the movement state, then I'm running another check to see if the player is pressing VK Shift, or virtual keyboard shift. If they are, we set dash to true and set an alarm that stops the dash after half a second. Then we set the dashing direction by seeing which movement key the player is pressing when they press the dash key. The dashing directions are key up is 90, key right is 0, and key left is 180. So now we double check that the dash is set to true with if dash. If it is, we do the dash code, which dashes in the direction we just found using the previous chunk of code. Next, we have the dash collision. Basically, it checks to see if the player is touching a wall during the dash. If the player is touching a wall, then we set dash to false, stopping the dash, and destroy the alarm set previously. Finally, we make it pixel perfect, which just makes sure that the player is flush against the wall before stopping the dash. After that, we have an else statement for if the player didn't press dash. Again, we get the input from the keyboard to see if they are pressing left, right, or up. Quickly, after that, we add in gravity with VSP equals VSP plus GRV. So the vertical speed equals vertical speed plus gravity. For jumping, we check to see if the player is touching the ground and pressing the jump key. If they are, we add -7 to the VSP, which launches them a certain distance up into the air. Finally, we have some quick collisions that basically say if you're in contact with the wall horizontally, stop your horizontal speed, and if you're in contact with the wall vertically, stop your vertical speed. And as you can see, here's my finished product for the day. You can move left, right, and up, you can jump, and you can dash side to side. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. I will be posting more of these soon as I continue coding this game.
These my dollars make it hurt.